Hey guys, my name is Asa with Forui Machinery. I'm in my mineral processing lab right now. On today's video, I'm going to show you garnet beneficiation experiments. Let's go. As you can see, the ore is too big, so we have to break them up. The function of crushing is to dissociate the ore from the waste rock in preparation for metal processing. The customer brought in a variety of samples, and the sample we see right now is from a surface deposit. So obviously, it has a high soil content. And this side, there's no soil. Let's pick up a piece and take a look. This one is embedded with a lot of soil. And this one, you can see that there are a lot of crystals. Next, we see the crusted samples. We use two sizes of screens, 2mm as the raw ore and 4mm at the jig material bedding. And then we start the metal processing. Its principle is gravity beneficiation. Due to the different density of materials, they have different settling speed in water. Under the action of water flow, light minerals are discharged from the upper and heavy minerals are discharged from the bottom of it. These are the light minerals, with the stones. Open the valve and take out the concentrate here. As you can see, it's pretty good. Okay, my name is Asa. Please leave your message here if you have any questions. See you next time.